Game na ba yan?
Yes, game na. Live po kami, no? All this.
Anong gagawin?
Mag-i-interview tayo. 안녕하세요.
Anong gagawin ko?
I'm with Wednesday. And isa din po siya sa mga nag-qualify sa travel incentive here in Korea. Now, short interview lang. I prepared 5 questions here. And pipili ka lang 1 to 5 na tatlo. Then may certain question. 1 to 5.
Game na ba yan?
Yes, game na. Live po kami, no?
Di 1.
1. Number 1 question. What was the highlight of your Korea travel incentive trip? You can share 3 if you want.
Ano? Lahat.
Lahat.
Lahat. From airport, from, yun yung sa Philippines, papuntang Incheon, papuntang
Yeah.
Hotel.
Is this your first time, right?
Yes.
International.
Mm.
And Peru first then.
Yes.
All right. And next question, number 2, 3, 4, 5. Tatlo to. So, pangalawa pa lang. May mga personal question. Char!
Sige, 2.
2. Number 2. What was the most unexpected or memorable moment during the trip?
Yung first night sa Myeongdong.
Myeongdong, yeah.
Kasi yung negative 1 pa lang, pero
Diyos ko. Nanginginig na tayo.
nanginginig tayo. Yun.
Alright. Last question.
3.
3. How has this travel incentive experience impacted you personally or professionally?
Personally, syempre, siguro yung mas na-motivate na mag-push pa, mag-hit ng travel incentive pa. Yun.
Alright. Thank you so much. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Say hi. Ayun, na pwede mo natawagan ng iyong loved one.